Good morning, Ateneo. My name is Islaw. Welcome to another instructional video of the Educational Media Center that will make your experience in online learning more enjoyable and engaging. In this video, we are going to talk about how to get started with your digital library using the SORA app. With SORA app, you can get free ebooks and audiobooks from your school. You can borrow digital books and these automatically return under due dates so you don't have to worry about charges and fees. Install the SORA app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store or go to www.soraapp.com. When you open SORA for the first time, look for Ateneo de Manila High School from Find Your School button. Then sign in. If you don't have an account yet, email AJHS-EMC at ateneo.edu to get one for free. To find and borrow books, go to the Explore tab. Search for the title, author, or series. Then borrow a book and this will automatically open so you can start reading right away. You can always go back to your current read using the circle at the bottom of the app. You'll find all your loans on shelf. If you're on Wi-Fi, books automatically download for your offline use. If you're using mobile data, you can stream books until you are on Wi-Fi. Tap options next to a book to renew it, return it early, and more. On the Me tab, check out fun activities, stats, and achievements you've earned. You can change your name and avatar too. Download SORA and start reading today.